How many reviews do you need to trust a business? Most homeowners are looking for 100 reviews or more. So, you want to invest in ways to get more reviews on Google. You want to get more reviews, and aim to get more reviews on Google. Get your free report on how your competition is doing, so you can be one step ahead. If you are thinking, can you request a review from the customer and ask for Google reviews? You sure can, as long as you don't ask for it to be positive or for a certain number of star ratings. And you don't offer any rewards for positive reviews, which is essentially a bribe, and not looked upon kindly. Most HVAC business owners find it time-consuming and a bit awkward to ask for reviews, or have the employees chase after customers. We help our clients with Google reviews, to get more reviews on Google by asking customers on their behalf. So we do it for them, and get them more reviews on Google, saving them time, headache, and some heartache. How to get more reviews for your HVAC business. 1. Ask for it. 2. Get a service like ours that does the asking for you, with fair pricing, and not costing you all of our ad budget. So how to get more reviews, and how to get more Google reviews, needs to be a priority for you if you are like the smart business executives who were surveyed in the earlier article. When we talk with our clients and explore their specific circumstances, we show them how they can use negative reviews to bring in more business. How many stars do you need on your Google reviews to convince a potential HVAC service customer that you are the right business for them? 4.2 stars and higher seems to be the magic number for higher conversion. If you have anything lower, it is time to ask for help with Google reviews. 49% of consumers need at least a 4-star rating before using a business. Less than 50% of consumers will frequent a business with a rating under 4 stars. 87% of consumers would not even consider a business with an average rating below 3 stars. Worse still, reviews that only gave 1 or 2 stars failed to convert 86% of prospective customers. Conversion suffers when you have under 4.2 stars. 4.2 to 4.7 or 4.8 seems healthy. 5 is okay too, since you can't help it if you are that good, right? So, if you'd like to increase your star rating, in easy ways like how we do with our clients, you might wish to reach out for help with Google reviews. How often should you get reviews? If your reviews are less frequent than 1 month, potential customers start wondering if you are still in business, and why aren't people visiting you more often, and why you haven't had any business in a month. They start thinking, well, if no one goes there, is it safe for me to use their services, or seek their help? So, we need to put their mind at rest by having regular fresh testimonials and reviews. That's the secret of how to get reviews for your business. So remember that the total number of reviews, the frequency which should be no less than a month, and the rating, are all important. In the next segment, we will discuss the main challenges in review generation and review management that HVAC company owners face. Would you like to request your free HVAC company online presence report of how the competition is doing and what you can do better? You can go ahead and now request us to prepare a free report offered at no charge, for a limited time, at reviewsrevenue.com and see how your competitors are performing. Simply turning a few key leverage points can suddenly increase your HVAC business revenue to new levels. The report will help you see what may need to be adjusted to rank better and beat the competition. For best results and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings to attract high-paying customers to your HVAC business and help them choose you over someone else. Subscribe to our playlist, request your free report at reviewsrevenue.com, and connect with us on LinkedIn to start building your unbeatable online reputation. Thank you for watching. Wishing you success. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off.